Ang pinagsisihan ni Regine Velasquez sa paglipat sa ABS-CBN, alamin. Kapamilya Trending.ph. Mag-subscribe, like and share na kapamilya. May mga pinagsisisihan nga ba ang songbird na si Regine Velasquez sa paglipat nito sa Kapamilya Network? Noong July 2020, ay tuluyan na ngang di na-renew ang prangkise ng ABS-CBN. Kaya natanong ang magaling na singer, ukol sa naganap na pagkawala ng nilipatan niyang network sa Free TV. Ayon sa panayam ni G3 San Diego, natanong kay Regine Velasquez kung may mga pinagsisihan ba ang singer sa naging desisyon niyang mag-transfer sa Kapamilya Network noong October 2018. At ito ang buong naging kasagutan ni Regine Velasquez. Pagka nga tinatanong ako, parang, do you regret it? I do not. I never regret. I will never regret anything. It was my decision to go back to ABS because I wanted to experience something else, something new. I wanted to work with the people that I used to work before, but was not able to because of the whole GMA, ABS thing. So, I just wanted to experience that. Before the pandemic, I was able to experience it naman eh. Ang dami kong nagawa before this, hindi man nga nabigay yung renewal ng ABS. Marami naman akong nagawa, paliwanag ni Regine. Kwento pa niya, mas na-maximize rin umano niya ngayon ang kanyang singing career. First of all, I was singing parang na-maximize ulit yung pagiging singer ko, cause I was doing ASAP every single week. In one show, I would sometimes have 3 production numbers. So, that's a lot. And I was so looking forward to performing every Sunday, dagdag pa ni Regine sa panayam. Kasi dama-dami rin yung kaalaman mo sa mga kanta, ang dami mong natututunang kanta. You also work with other people, so you also learn from them. So, yun ang exciting doon. Plus, every week, it's live so hindi mo alam kung anong mangyayari. Dagdag pa ng songbird. A lot of times nagkakamali ka, but you wing it. It's part of the whole excitement. Minsan maganda performance mo, minsan hindi. Minsan may boses ka, minsan wala. So, it's all part of the excitement of having a live show. I think I missed that very much. I was explaining to them, I just wanted to work with other people, and nagpaalam ako ng maayos. Sabi ko, na not that I don't appreciate what GMA has given me. GMA has given me a lot. Marami silang ginawa din naman sa career. I was given a chance to be a host. I was given a chance to do soap opera. Marami silang naibigay sa akin, so very thankful naman ako doon. But at that time when I moved back to ABS, I just wanted to sing again. Yun lang ang nasa head ko. Ito ang mga naging pahayag ni Regine Velasquez. Si Regine Velasquez ay halos 20 taon sa GMA, ang singing competition na The Clash ang huling naging programa ni Regine sa GMA, at ngayon base sa teaser na inilabas ng GMA for their upcoming shows this last quarter of 2020 ay kasama ang The Clash Season 3, sa mga upcoming shows ng istasyon. Nagsimulang pumirma ng kontrata si Regine sa ABS. Naging regular host si Regine sa ASAP at naging hurado sa Search for the Idol Philippines kasama sina Moira de la Torre, James Reid at Vice Ganda. Hello mga kaibigan, ano ang reaksyon ninyo sa balitang ito? Comment na iyan guys. Hello everyone, if you like our videos please consider subscribing, and click the bell icon, for you to be updated in our next videos.